Ladies, today we're talking about my top tips for weight loss. But firstly, make sure you sign up to the pre-order of my book. It's going to be available very, very soon. So on my website, www.trishttuckermay.com, you can pre-order a copy right now. And the first 50 people to sign up are going to get access to bonus recipes, which in my gut healing program, the 8-week program, has an extra 139 gut healing, gut-friendly recipes suitable for vegan, vegetarian, and omnivore diets. So make sure you grab yourself a copy. All right, now I know it can be really difficult to lose weight over 40. It's quite challenging to shed those extra pounds, but it is possible with accountability and with functional nutrition tests, because getting to the root cause or causes of why you're becoming accidentally overweight can be really beneficial. So we can test hormones, we can test cholesterol levels, we can test blood sugar, and a combination of all of those can give us really good insights as to why you're putting on weight. But here are my top 10 tips. Firstly, focus on whole foods, real foods, unprocessed foods. So eliminate processed sugars, refined sugars, refined wheat products, all those biscuits, cakes, pastries, even bread can be problematic. So avoid highly processed foods. Now, I do use a vegan organic protein powder, which is amazing for helping managing cravings. So reach out to me if you think you would like to try that, because it's fantastic for reducing cholesterol and it's fantastic for balancing blood sugar. Right, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. You need to be drinking water to flush out those toxins. That's really, really important, that you're not becoming, your weight is not because of toxins in the belly weight, toxins from metabolizing your hormones, particularly in the perimenopause when you've got those hormone fluctuations. So drinking plenty of water will really help. Improving your strength, like doing strength training can be very, very good. So weight training can be excellent. Sometimes high intensity workouts can really work against you, particularly if you're high stressed, because the thing is, when we have a ton of micro stresses building up day after day after day, what's happening is that sending a message to the liver to release, to pump out glucose. And that is, of course, causing, that'll go straight into fat cells and will cause you to gain weight. So do a lot to manage your stress, particularly those micro stresses on a daily basis. So I really encourage you to make sure you're getting enough sleep, going to bed at a regular time every night. When you first feel that feeling of tiredness can be very beneficial. Having a good bedtime routine. So maybe that looks like journaling, a little bit of meditation, or a yoga nidra, or using essential oils to help support a good bedtime, and a good sound night's sleep can be really beneficial for weight loss. Make sure you're focusing on reducing your stress. I love Insight Timer, the app. So for morning routine, for meditations, for affirmations, for starting the day gently, doing my Tai Chi, can be really helpful to calm down that nervous system dysregulation and, that fight and flight response that we have. We can support that parasympathetic nervous system, that rest and digest part of the nervous system, to calm everything down, to soothe the body, because the body doesn't really differentiate from any type of stress. So it can be life-threatening stress, like escaping from a tiger, kids, or kids just the plates and the cups piling up in their bedroom. Micro stresses or life-threatening stresses, the body reacts in the same way. The body reacts by spiking the cortisol. That has an effect on the insulin. The liver pumps out the glucose. That's causing that fat storing, signaling cycle to the body. So we want to break that by having little stress breaks. Meditation, affirmations, using essential oils, using some deep breathing can all calm down that nervous system dysregulation and support that parasympathetic nervous system to rest and digest and calm down. Avoid crash diets. I don't recommend crash diets to any of my clients. Really aim for slow, steady weight loss, which is sustainable over time. Keep track of what you're eating. That can be really beneficial. With my clients, I use an app which breaks down all the proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. And sometimes poor sleep and cravings can mean that you're not getting enough protein. So the app really helps to break down and see where weight loss. Now, moving your body every day. So sometimes it's good to have an accountability buddy that you go to the gym with, that you are motivated and accountable with. And that's also where I come in with my weight loss clients, is that I help keep you on track. I help keep you accountable to doing all of these things on a regular basis. And it is really beneficial to consult with a registered nutritionist because, people like me, I offer state-of-the-art comprehensive tests around hormones, around blood sugar, around cholesterol. So no wait list required at the GP. The results are really fast. They can be turned around really quickly. And then we can tweak your protocol and your regime according to what we find in those tests. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'd love for you to tune into more of my videos, and make sure you get your hands on my new book. So it is 385 pages. Even the index is 9 pages long. So you'll find some really good inspiring techniques and recipes and guides for all the good things that happen to us when we approach the perimenopause and the menopause. So, if you're struggling with tiredness and poor sleep and accidental weight gain, and you would like to feel better about yourself and reclaim your vitality, then check out that lovely book. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.